How to use Dasher app. Download and open the app. Get the latest Dasher app on your device from your app store and open it. Sign in or sign up. Log into either your existing account or quickly create one by entering your personal details and completing the background check. Access the home screen. This is the Dasher tab where you'll see options to dash now or to schedule a delivery. Start dashing. Tap dash now when you're ready or select schedule to set a specific time for your dash. Choose hotspot areas. The map highlights busy zones. Being in these areas increases your chances of getting an order. Accept orders when an offer appears. Review the details. Tap accept if it looks good, then navigate to the restaurant and follow in-app directions to pick up the order. Deliver the order, confirm pickup, and follow navigation to the customer's address. Once delivered, tap delivered. View your earnings. Check the earnings tab to see your pay and tips, which update immediately after each delivery. Manage your account. Use the account tab to update personal info or vehicle details. And the tip is make sure your location services are enabled on your device for smooth functionality. Subscribe.